Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord server. Simple and easy. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So deleting a Discord server is actually really easy. I'm on my newly created Discord server, YourSixStudios. So how do I delete it? On the upper left hand side of the screen, you can see my server name, YourSixStudios server, then a down arrow. Let's go ahead and select that. Then go to server settings. Now, on the left hand side, if you scroll all the way down, you will see delete server. Then you're going to want to go ahead and copy this server's name exactly how it says. And it's going to be case sensitive. So make sure everything lines up exactly. So let's go ahead and type that in now. Your six with capital S, studios, space server, lowercase. Then go to delete server. And if you didn't match it correctly, it's going to let you know. So it's case sensitive. Make sure you'll get everything correct. It looks like I missed an S. So let's go to the delete server now. And that server is now deleted off my Discord server list. So deleting a server on Discord is very easy. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Discord tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.